This one's for you, Dad.
Where's your dad, Joey?
My dad's a pilot. He's always busy. Thanks, Dad.
Haha! Great catch, son!
Hey, you all right, Joey?
Yeah, I just wish my dad was here.
Nice shot, Joey! Yeah!
Joey! Good shot, son!
Thanks, Dad.
All right, team. We're one touchdown away from winning this thing. Joey, you're gonna have to run it. You got it. Break!
Joey Salas has conquered every sport imaginable, from ping pong to NASCAR. It is for this unbelievable legacy that we commemorate him with this statue.
I am so incredibly humbled to be given this honor, but none of it would have been possible if it weren't for the big guy in the sky. I love you, Dad.
I am so proud of you, son.
Thanks, Dad.